wife is also here. She is joining our Independence Day celebration.
I'm very excited to be part of the National Council of Asian India Association's 80th India's Independence Day celebration, and as an Indian American here in Washington DC, I'm excited that we are celebrating 250th anniversary of American independence. America is a great nation, and this has given us the opportunity to be American, being Indian at heart and American by life. So we are very excited to celebrate this 250th anniversary of America.
God bless America.
God bless America.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Good evening, everybody. Thanks for joining this event. This is a great occasion that we are celebrating two nations' independence together. USA 250th anniversary and India's 80th anniversary. And since we are here, we are not supposed to forget our motherland, as well as we should not be forgetting our current country, which is USA. We should be paying same attention to the same country here as well. And I would like to just introduce you guys one of the person who is going towards this path, and he is not new for our community or new for USA as well, because his business and community work is not limited to this area, but all over US, and he is spreading his footprint in whole world right now. So Anil Sharma is one of our friend, one of our supporter, and one of the great person who is supporting the India as well as USA community and education as well. One of his best work right now, there are many behind the scene, but the recent one, the George Mason University announced or gave the business school name in Anil Sharma and Anu Sharma as the business school. So now give a big round of applause to Anil Sharma. Right now, he is having around 7,000 plus employees in his company, and he is spreading his footprint in the other countries of the world as well. And he is helping Indian and American youth to just live their life with the company and the goal of the USA currently what we have. So Anil Sharma ji, thank you for your support for Indian and American youth and the needy people.
With almost nothing, late last 30 years, this country has given a lot to us. So, and as you're celebrating today, two occasions, India's Independence Day and US 250th celebration. So it's an honor to be here, standing with you, and it's our responsibility. I see it as a personal responsibility to give back to both our Karam Bhumi and Janam Bhumi. So my Janam Bhumi is Bharat, but still I do try to do a lot of things there. We have over 800 people in India, Bharat, and here the Karam Bhumi, which has given me a lot for whatever today I have. So it's my responsibility, I see, to give back whatever I can do. George Mason is one of the school I'm associated closely with them, and honored to get our name there, me and my wife's name at school as a permanent there in the business school, and also with all going on right now in the country, in this nation, a little bit narrative about us as immigrants, anti-Indian. I think it's more important in these times to give that responsibility that we as Indian immigrants don't just come and make money, but also give back to this society.
I was told the event would start at 4 o'clock, so I didn't mean to be late, but I'm so glad I was here, better late than never. I'm here with my kids because I want them to see Indian Independence Day. I'm proud to be Indian American. Was the first one ever elected to Congress in the history of Virginia and in the history of the entire East Coast of the United States. And with that, I've been able to uplift our community in many ways in Congress, and will continue to do so. My parents immigrated from India in the late 70s. My grandfather actually served in the Indian Army as well during and after independence. And so India has a special place in my heart, and I'm very much committed to the U.S.-India relationship for many years to come, because it is, even setting aside being an Indian American, it is two of the oldest and most important democracies in the modern world. So thank you so much for being here today. I look forward to being your champion in Congress. Thank you.
So the message from our Honorable Governor of Commonwealth of Virginia goes like this. Dear members of the National Council of Asian Indian Association, on behalf of the Commonwealth of Virginia, it is my pleasure to extend my warm greetings to you as you gather for the USA 250th and India 80th Independence Day celebration. This celebration communicates two extraordinary milestones. The 250th anniversary of American independence and the 80th anniversary of India independence, while honoring the enduring friendship and shared democratic values that unite our two nations.
Thank you all for being here and having me. It's a very special occasion. The United States' 250th year anniversary and India's 80th anniversary. There are so many contributions to the Indian American community for us to celebrate. Out of curiosity, does anyone know the country from which the CEO of Microsoft came?
India.
Anyone? It's an easy answer. India. He's an Indian American. Okay, now what about the CEO of Google?
India.
Okay, good. We're good. We're starting to catch a theme here. What about the CEO of IBM?
India.
The Dean of the Harvard Business School?
India.
The former CEO of, or the current head of the World Bank? Indian American. The Indian American community has contributed so much to this community that it's great that we finally have representation here in Virginia.
I would like to congratulate all the Indian and American community for this 250th anniversary of USA independence and 80th anniversary of India independence. The NCIA celebrated this event with the all DMB and other Indian communities here in John Champ High School, and the media people from India abroad, TV Asia, just continue support and covering this event. Lot of good people, dignitaries just joined here to celebrate this event. It was a great event, and NCIA is going to celebrate this kind of event every year with the support of Indian and American community.
मैं प्रदीप कपूर हूँ, 79 बैच इंडियन फॉरेन सर्विस से एम्बेसडर रहा हूँ, राजदूत रहा हूँ और सेक्रेटरी रहा हूँ. अब यहाँ पर हूँ मैरीलैंड में, इंडियन डायस्पोरा के साथ काम करता हूँ. अमेरिकन हिंदू कोलिशन का चेयर हूँ, डायरेक्टर हूँ एम्बेसडर सर्कल का. तो इस अवसर पर हमारे जो स्वतंत्रता दिवस पर और यूएस के 250 साल के स्वतंत्रता दिवस पर बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं. जॉन चैम्प स्कूल में आज इंडियन कम्युनिटी ने फिर यहाँ पर कार्यक्रम किया. हमारा जो अमेरिकन हिंदू कोलिशन है उन्होंने भी सपोर्ट किया. अब एक चीज जो बहुत जरूरी है वो पूरी दुनिया को और पूरे भारत या डायस्पोरा को जानना है कि ऐसे अवसरों पर बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रांग सपोर्ट जरूरी होता है, ताकि फ्यूचर में भी ज्यादा लोग जान सकें, आ सकें, सपोर्ट कर सकें.
Hello, my name is Jogendra Gupta. We are here to celebrate Independence Day of India, 80th Independence Day and 250th anniversary of America's freedom. We have a good gathering here at John Chapman High School. We have good parade. We are organizing a good parade. We have a good cultural program. More than 500 people participated in the program. And this program continued with all kind of dances, songs, and music. We have all enjoyed pretty much. I think the public was very happy, and we're very excited to see the program is done so well by National Council of Asian Indian Association. This is Dr. Gupta. Jai Hind.
Namaskar everyone. My name is Divya Gupta and I'm here as a community member to support NCAIA and all the wonderful things they continue to do year after year, bringing all of us together in the community. It really does not matter where any one of us live. Today we have so many vendors here. I personally love shopping here to support not only the Indian community, but also there's just one place where you can find everything. And so to me, I greatly appreciate all the effort that's been put into bringing this community together all the time. Thank you so much to NCAIA and everyone that works extremely hard to bring this close to us all the time. And congratulations to my father, Satish Gupta, for receiving the Lifetime Achievement Award. Jai Hind.